like a verse with a new melody, and I want to complain to everyone about it. For I can scarcely find anyone who calls to me, or deigns to even turn an eye toward me. They have found me foolish and simple, because I do not know how to amass wealth. I do not know how. I do not see a man so rich or so beautiful that he changes his whole affair. When a young man loses his guidance, by which he should better himself, they pluck him more than a bird. When they see him standing all alone, standing all alone, I cannot stop myself from complaining, for I see foolishness multiplying. I cannot find anyone to stand with me, nor to do me good, nor to love me, nor to advise me in anything, nor to teach me how I should do it. If I sleep too long, no one wakes me. Instead, they all make me a joke. And if I stay all day in the sun, I will find few who invite me in, who invite me in. No man watches over a friend unless he has the power to give. No man is noticed who is only himself to command. If he is wise, he is thought a fool. If no one sees his wealth rising, he has fallen into total scorn, whose goods others must watch over. Watch over. He will never be worthy nor maintained who does not know how to amass wealth. For now, righteousness is not recognized. The one who can steal the most is strongest, and the poor man is conquered without fault. He cannot cover himself nor turn away. If his friends fail him completely, he would need to force himself not to remain always in the mud. He should lift himself if he can, for neither brother nor nephew should any man rely upon. Rely upon. Rely upon. But that which a man has above all, he must manage with moderation. If he does not, and he falls into ruin, another's goods will pursue and chase him. That of which I know not a single word, I think to teach to others.